Hi and welcome to Cakes and Conversations, and today we're going to learn to make berry mango cake. I've chopped mangoes, chopped berries and whipped cream with raspberry compote. It's a homemade compote and then I just mixed it in the whipped cream. And I have vanilla sponges. I will remove the caramelizations of the vanilla sponges. Going to use the cookie cutter for cutting the center hole because I'm having an added surprise using a gold board for the base. Let's begin assembling the cake. So I have vanilla sponge where I have removed the caramelization from the top and I'm just placing it on the board now. I'm cutting the hole in the center because I'm going to fill the cake with M&Ms, and I've done this for all the 3 sponges. I'm ready to stack the cake. Now the whipped cream and then some fruits. You can do a mix of any of your favorite fruits, but my kids really love mango and strawberry, and this flavor is a bomb flavor, so I just went with it. It's a summer flavor, so look how vibrant the colors are. Doing a dam in the center as well. I'm just going to continue with the whole stacking process. It's going to repeat the same thing. That's how the cake looks like once it's stacked up. Now here I'm adding the M&Ms. This is with the brownie M&Ms, the brownie bits inside. Because it's an inside out theme, so that's what I felt the surprise should look like, covering the cake with whipped cream purple color. Added some texture on the side of the cake, and this is how I'm decorating. A very simple design. Make sure that you don't poke the topper in the center because you have the surprise in, so do it a little bit on the side. And just going to decorate with these kind of sprinkles on the side. This is how you can do a very simple cake at home without any much of fancy things or anything. So these are available easily in the market, and that's how beautiful it looks like. It's a very simple inside out theme cake without any fondant toppers. Thank you for watching.